guys, I'm back again, and to everybody who celebrates Happy Easter. As you can see, I am in my jacket as I'm about to go because I made this really big cake for Easter, and I'm going to bring some to my mom because it's Easter and she deserves some cake, okay? Mama needs to get some cake. Okay, but today we are going to unbox the brand new Styletone box. I already opened it because my address is on the back here. Ain't nobody got to see that. So we got the little booklet right here, very florally and very springtime-y. This is the inside of the box, and I'm going to start off with this one, and there's a hair on it. Ew, freaking disgusting. What the hell, black hair. But I'm going to start off with this, and then I'm going to get everything out of the satchel. So let's get started. Okay, so the first item in the box is from Mud Masky. It's the Leave Me On Spring Mask with SPF 10. It brightens, it regenerates, it's protecting, restoring, and moisturizing. So this is what that fella looks like, and I assume, since it did say leave me on, I'm just going to assume it's for nighttime. So let's see, instructions: wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer to your face, leave the face mask on during day, use daily. During the day? Huh. Okay, I'm not really sure what to make of this because during the day I'm wearing makeup and I can't really wear a mask. Anyway, everything in the Styletone box is full size, and this little sucker costs 39 euros. Like, I'm always shocked at how freaking expensive these Mud Masky products are. Okay, so I'm gonna throw the box on the floor and just grab stuff from this satchel. So the first thing, oh no! Okay, so the first thing I grab is a repeat. In these boxes, we every single month get a freaking repeat. It's kind of annoying, but this is from Mind Tan. This is the Exfoliating Coffee Scrub, and I'm gonna pass this one yet again to my sister because she lives and breathes coffee, and I, since I'm pregnant, cannot stand the smell of coffee. So yeah, that definitely not for me during my pregnancy. And I'm only halfway there, so I still got 4.5 months to go. Let me just check the booklet because I forgot how much it was. I think it was around 3 or 4 euros. I'm not really sure. Oh boy. I can't even find it in the book. Oh, there we go. Okay, from Mind Tan, the coffee scrub. Oh, wow. It's $9.95, so it's actually 10 bucks. That's actually quite a lot for this small of an amount because you only get 30 grams. With scrubs, I would say the best way to go is probably a natural scrub, which you can make your own. For your body, use salt and olive oil or honey if you prefer. And for your face, don't use salt because that's way too harsh. Use sugar because that kind of dissolves in warm water. And I never really pay money for a scrub unless I just get scrubs, but well, I don't pay money again. I just get them in these boxes. But usually when I'm at home and if I really don't have a scrub anymore, I just make my own. Okay, moving on to, oh my god, Pixi. Oh hell yeah, I love this. I love the brand Pixi. So this is Pixi by Petra. It's the Lip Lift Max Glossy Lip Plumper. Oh, okay. So this is what the little box looks like, but of course we're gonna get it out of the box. It's Honey Sheen. The color is Honey Sheen. Come on out of there. Oh my god. This is awesome, and it's got like a really teeny tiny hint of glitter in here. I have to look in the viewfinder. So, oh yeah, it definitely smells minty, so I know it's a lip plumper. I'm just gonna put it a little bit over my lipstick today. That's soft. Wow, that is so freaking soft. Wow. Okay. I love this. I absolutely love Pixi products, so I'm extremely happy with this. It is gorgeous. Let me check the little booklet and see where it is. This is number 2, number 3, so it's probably going to be number 4. Wow, the booklet is a little bit crooked and I can't really get the come on, pages, there we go, to work. So Pixi Beauty, the lip gloss or lip plumper costs 14 euros. Okay, we have two more products in here. One is another little box from Effect. And this is Exciting Lashes Mascara Volume. That's a little bit weird of a mouthful, but let's open it up. So it's a mascara, clearly. That's my phone, sorry. It's probably my mom calling where the hell I am. And if I'm not mistaken, I already had this and I just emptied it out. Yes, I think it was this same product. Sorry about my phone, but it's a little bit too far away for me to reach. It will stop ringing on its own. Anyway, I used to have a mascara of Effect and I used to love it. And it was really good for the daily, like, you know, on-the-go mascara, but it was not like my Tarte Camera Lashes, Flashes, whatever mascara. That's like my holy grail. But it was really, really good for day to day. So let me check out the price, because if it's cheaper than, for example, L'Oreal in the drugstore, I would say go with this one. Definitely give it a try. But if it's more expensive than the L'Oreal or Maybelline ones, wow, I can't even pronounce it, then don't. So this one is 11 euros and 70 cents, which means you can actually give it a try. I really enjoyed it, and I think you will too, as like a daily to-go mascara. Okay guys, so we're down to the very last item in the satchel, and the satchel is empty, and holy cow, this is amazing. This is from Style London. It's the Velvet Touch. Oh, it's actually sealed, and I need to get it out of the seal because I'm definitely going to use this sucker. Let go of the little, there we go. Okay, so we got an eyeshadow palette, and it is so, and this is like a springtime palette to me. It's completely pink and like peachy. I love these colors. This is amazing. Doesn't smell like anything. I thought maybe it would be a peachy smell, but it's not. I love this. I cannot wait to play around with this. Today would have been awesome to play around with it, but okay. Wow. I love it. We got 9 different colors. We got a lot of mattes, and we got 3 shimmer shades. So, you know, I love the fact that we get a lot of mattes, because you need mattes to kind of, I guess, liven, what do you call it, up the eye. You definitely need mattes for depth, and then put in beautiful shimmer shades. And we got like a peachy shimmer shade, a pink shimmer shade, and like a taupe shimmer shade. So we got a lighter, a medium, and a darker shimmer shade. Mouthful. And all of the rest are mattes, which I definitely prefer. This is, well, y'all know I'm like the queen of glitter. Y'all know I love glitters. It's not like I prefer mattes, but I got a lot of glitter, okay? I need some mattes. I love this. I absolutely love this. And it is the first item in the booklet, and the Style London eyeshadow palette, the Angel eyeshadow palette. Yeah, the Angel eyeshadow palette is 17 euros and 92 cents. Okay guys, and that is it for this month's box. I will immediately say I freaking love this box. Like the eyeshadow palette and the Pixi gloss, that alone makes this entire palette. The only thing I'm actually not going to use is going to be this little coffee scrub right here, since I'm pregnant and I cannot handle coffee smelling things in my pregnancy. So I'm going to give this to my sister yet again. She already received the last one, but all of the other items I'm definitely going to use. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below what do you guys think about this month's box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!